How to remix reels on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on how to guide. The remix feature on reels has been recently added on Instagram. So let me show you how you can use it. Open up the reel that you want to remix. Once you open up the reel, just tap on the share option that you see right here. Once you do, on the bottom, you can see an option of remix. If you don't yet have that option, make sure you update your Instagram app. Tap on the remix option and you'll have two choices. If you choose with original video, your video will be side to side with the original video, and if you choose after original video, after this video ends, your video will start. So let me quickly show you both of them. If I tap with original video, as you can see, my video is this one right here, and it's going to be side to side with the original one. Now if you want to record it straight away, you can also do that, but you can also add in an existing video. Tap on the plus on the bottom left and choose the video that you want to add in. Tap on add. So that's how you remix. This is the first one. Now if I show you the second one, which is going to be after the original video, the original video will start first. You can adjust the length of it, so how much you want it to be, and tap on next on the top right. And now you can record your reel, or tap on the plus on the bottom left and then select the video. Tap on add again, and similarly you can add in multiple clips to one reel. After you're done, tap on next and your remix will be created. You can try out both of them and see which one you like. So that was a quick video on how to remix reels on Instagram. Give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful. I'll be back soon with more informative videos. Thanks for watching.